Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature a variety of hair color transformations. So if you have been thinking of dyeing your hair, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hot hair color ideas and trends, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button to always keep your style up to date on all the hottest and the latest hair trends. Loving this red and black combo, absolutely gorgeous. And then we have a DIY hair color transformation. Now, this particular influencer does a lot of really inspiring, unique fashion colors. And for this one, she did a really pretty lavender. Absolutely love this. Next up, we have a purple and pink hair transformation. So this is by Alfredo Lewis and Philip Wolf, two of my favorite hairstylists. So Philip Wolf does a blowout and then adds in some lavender hair extensions. Absolutely gorgeous. This is definitely fantasy hair. Next up, we have someone doing the split dye trend. So she's going to be doing like a green, neon green on one side. And then bold purple on the other. Now, the split dye trend is a great way to rock two hair colors in one. And I am just loving this hair trend. It's so pretty. Next up, we have another way to rock two colors. So they're doing a red and black combo once again. And the red is spotted in the bangs. Love this idea. So we have another DIYer here. She throws on an old t-shirt. It looks like she's going with like a rainbow hair. Oh wow, absolutely gorgeous results. And it looks like she decided to dye her hair blonde. She's probably tired of the bold pink color. So we have someone DIYing a wig here. Looks like she kind of thinned the hair out a little bit. Oh wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Loving the color mix. Looks like burgundy and pink. Very pretty. So it looks like we have some more rainbow inspired hair. Very pretty, like pastel colors for that one. And then we see someone with hot pink hair. Looks like she has hot pink on one side and maybe purple on the other. So she's kind of got like the split dye trend. Very cute. Looks like she did a rubber band bun style. And then we have another hair color transformation. Looks like they're going with a bold red shade. Oh, it's actually orange. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. So I hope that you guys were able to find some hair color inspiration within today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyles, you can check out this video next.